Welcome to STEM Time with Josh. Today we will be making a sound activated switch using snap circuits. All you will need is your battery pack with batteries, two 2-long snap wires, one 3-long, 5-long, and 6-long snap wires, along with your music box, slide switch, whistle chip, and speaker. And don't forget both jumper snap wires. So like in the previous episode, we will be placing our slide switch on the battery, but not only until after we place the 6-long so we can have something to connect to. Then we will place our 5-long right here and connect it to the batteries with a 2-long, like so. After that, we're going to place our music box, connect it to the snap wire by a 2-long, and connect it to the other one by a 3-long. Now that that's done, we're going to place our whistle chip on the music box and snap wire, and all we need to add is our speaker by using our snap wires. So first, we're going to get our red one, connect it to the music box and speaker like so. Then we're going to grab our black one, connect it to the snap wire and to our speaker box like so. So now that this is done, when I close the slide switch, current is going to flow from the batteries to the music box, then making the speaker play music like so. So now, in order to use this whistle chip, I would have to tap it, creating enough vibration to restart the music, like so. Now that that's done, we can also adjust the sound to make it quieter. All we will need is to change out our two jumper snap wires with one 2-long and one resistor. So we will place our speaker right here, like so, connect it to the snap wire with our speaker, and then connect the resistor like so. So then after I turn the switch on, the music will be quieter because the resistor dampens the voltage being given to the speaker, like so. And the whistle chip still works in this current as well. So that's it for today, and I'll see y'all next time.